So sustainability is a key imperative, and energy management is absolutely central to it. And if you look at typical power consumption patterns of a typical office complex, you will find out that almost 50% of all power costs go into powering the IT devices. These are your laptops, your desk phones, VoIP devices, printers, routers, all your servers. And I don't really need to tell you that we are very far from being optimal when it comes to power consumption of these devices. We overutilize them, okay? And our research shows that if you had clear data and insight about your power consumption patterns and when it is used and when it should be used, etc., you can save a minimum of 20%, and if you do it really smartly, you can even achieve as high as 50% reduction in your power bills. Now, all of us have been aware of this. We all feel we need to cut costs here, but the process of really analyzing and figuring out what those power consumption patterns are and what's wasteful has been too complicated. And the process has been very intrusive. Either you need to put those software agents inside your devices to figure out when they are on and off, or you need to put these contraptions and figure out how much power consumption is going on, etc. It has been a very intrusive and complex process, and as a result, the intention has never gotten really sort of translated into reality. Now, Brillio Internet of Things practice, in partnership with Cisco, has created something that I really feel is magical. Because what we have done is we have combined Cisco EnergyWise solution with Brillio Analytics, cloud and visualization technologies, and create a solution which is almost as good as buying consumer product. You just take a device, load the software, hook it on to one of the network ports and just forget it. Brillio Command and Control Center will remotely monitor it. You just let it run for 2 to 3 months, and we will create mind-boggling amount of data about what the usage is. And the beauty of the technology is nothing changes. We are just snooping through the data that is going through the networks and then automatically creating a map of all devices that are on. So you have an inventory of what's going on where, all magically created just by our software looking at the network. And then we use advanced algorithms to really estimate what must be the power consumption of individual devices by looking at what's the network going on. And it is reasonably accurate, more than accuracy that you require for the purpose of computing the power usage patterns, etc. So end of 3 months, our consultants can sit with you, show you what the data is, and you will be amazed with the kind of insights that can be presented. And we have made it so very easy that if you want to just try it out at very little cost, you just can get started. Everything is remote, and observe it for a couple of months. You will see the value proposition, and then you can sort of create an interesting program out of it. Now, it doesn't end there. Our engineers also are building capabilities to not only monitor these IT devices, but we are writing those adapters and writing those embedded pieces that can really bring any other device live. So if you're a retailer and you want to monitor all your vending machines and not just power consumption, you want to figure out whether the temperature is right, we can add some temperature sensors to it. We can bring all the non-IT assets also online, and the same infrastructure can be used to monitor them as well. So that's Brillio sustainability solution for you. An almost magical plug and play experience. Plug it in, forget it, let the data and insights tell you what's right and what's wrong, and then let's figure it out from there.